I love them eat that boy. I think say y'all want dance girl way. I look guidance from man or something.
So good morning.
You steaming that thing out or you playing with it? Which one are you doing?
Good morning, everybody. So we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning. Then I'm probably gonna get out of here. Let's get into the cleaning because I'm trying to finish before Babe gets here. She's just finished eating, so she's a bit dirty.
I can hear the demons call when they do it, they do get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the wishing, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work. I can hear the demons call when they do it all. I just gotta get through, cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the truth. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance. Tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find it.
Cleaning session. I'll see you guys when I get out of here. Deuce. So just got back from the gym. Washout time it is. How much tablespoon of Epsom salt me for use, babe? How much tablespoon of Epsom salt me for use?
Three to four.
God almighty.
Yeah. Make sure me roll this and keep one close. I mean, not so much water in it, so you have to go solid water. And if it dissolves it, you have to like beat it. No, that's enough water.
That's enough water? Okay.
You're going to need 1-3-4 spoonful.
Okay. One. Two. Three. I hit that. 4. I am on. Rolling it. Let's restart. Shit is disgusting. I drink holy water. My God. So when you take that Epsom salt, you need to make sure you're drinking a whole bunch of water, rehydrating yourself. And how you know that your body is completely flush is when you poop, the poop is clear like water. Okay, literally what you're putting into your body is going out the other end and it's completely clear. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm not eating anything until I know I'm completely clear and done. So on to the next thing. My face have been acting up. Like I don't know if I said it in my vlog video, but when I went to Miami, I had my period twice in 1 month, which is weird. And I'm gonna set my doctor's appointment today to figure out what the hell is going on, because I'm not that girl. I don't have irregular cycles, thank God. My cycles are normally very, very regular. My body works amazing as far as that is concerned. So I need to go check it out. And it really messed up my skin. My skin was looking good for a minute. And also I went to Miami and was in the sun for hours and forgot my damn sunscreen like an idiot, and my face was stripping all up here and on my nose. So I need to reset my skin also. So I'm going to do my chemical peel. This is a 15% chemical peel. I actually need to go in and order a higher concentration because I feel like my skin, my body, not my skin, I feel like my face, oh, this is 18. Correction, I have an 18% TCA peel, but I feel like my skin actually is used to the 18%, so it doesn't really peel as deep as I would like for it to peel. And if you've been following me, you guys know that I started YouTube doing actual skincare stuff, so chemical peels, like in-depth chemical peels, like 30%, because I had extremely acne prone skin. I did a whole lot of dermaplaning, microneedling and stuff. That was what my content was based about, and also makeup. And then I switched into the lifestyle category. So I didn't even realize that I have 2 in here. This one is empty, so I need to put it in the trash. So I'm gonna use the cleanser. I also haven't done a vaginal steam in a while, so I will probably be doing one today also. Once my washout is done and all of that, I'll probably go in and do a vaginal steam, just because I had my period twice, TMI. maybe for the guys that watch me, my vaginal steam. And at Lulu's Holistic, you can use my code. I buy their stuff all the time. This is the Flora Balance. Refresh, replenish, and balance your flora. Tighten and lift the pelvic floor. Regain vibrancy and strength and vitality. And I normally just put this in some water on the stove, let it boil, put it on one of my seats, and make sure my toilet is clean, and then I steam the cootie cat.
You steaming that thing out or are you playing with it? Which one are you doing?
Me a steam.
Alright.
Hi.
And you don't change sheet.
No, the time I don't.
Pink class.
You poop, mommy. And that is my little future steaming video. So
I've tried to film doing Milani's hair, I think 3 or 4 times, okay? So she's gonna have like 3 or 4 hairstyles in this video, and I'm sorry, but either my files get corrupted, I can't find clips, something always happens why I can't get the clips together on how I comb her hair, how I find her styles and all that. So forgive me. You're gonna see her in like 3 different styles because she keeps a hairdo, okay? I make sure her hair is always done. So as far as how I do her hair, I wash her hair every 2 weeks now because she's in her terrible twos and she don't want me in her hair like that. So her hair gets washed every 2 weeks and I style her hair once a week. Her wash hair products are completely different from when I'm styling her hair. If you guys want to see what I use when I'm washing her hair, please go check out her wash day routine because nothing has changed since I uploaded that video. As far as styling her hair is concerned, I like to spritz her hair with some water. Then I go in with the Micheline Peony leave-in conditioner, and then I go in with the Kiss Edge Fixer. That's one of the styles. As far as how I come up with styles, I have no clue. I just know how to do hair, and I've been doing hair for a while. But sometimes I'll see a cute style on Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest or Google. If I'm looking for inspiration, I'll scroll those social media pages and I'll find some inspiration, and then I'll just turn it into my hairstyle, fit it to her face, fit it to what I think is gonna look best on her. As far as this clip right here, I'm combing her hair during the evening time because I feel like this is when she is not going to fight me when I'm doing her hair. I either do it at lunchtime or at dinner time because while she's eating, she's distracted, and it allows me to do her hair freely while still having to interact with her and keep her entertained. So If you're a mom and you have a daughter in her terrible twos that don't want to get her hair done, I would suggest you do it around her eating schedule because I feel like this is what has worked for me and her. But I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch the video. I don't know. Some of these styles I just come up with in my head. As far as this style, this was the style she wore for her birthday. So, see you in a bit. Oh, before I go, these elastic bands that I use are baby elastic bands. You can find them at Walmart. If you wrap these around her hair too many times, they're going to break. If you pull on them too hard, they're going to break. They're stretchy, but not that stretchy, which is why I'm still using them in her hair. When I take them out, I don't see any breakage or anything like that in her hair, which is why I love them.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
So after I finish her hair, I always make sure I put on her bonnet. Her bonnets are actually from Amazon. I will say these actually slip off a little bit too much for me. So I'm in the process of looking for a new bonnet, but I'll still link these in the description box. If you have some good bonnets and you want to share, please tell me them in the comment section. To clean you up now. Baby's showing her oil.
Yeah. You want some? You gonna finish this bottle and should be finishing the bottle and getting into some things, but then it's gone these days.
Alright, so
Yeah, one boy, man. You can't listen to righteousness, Judah or something. Always, you always on your stuff talking about righteousness, this and you're a queen and an empress and all that. And don't let him turn you into an alcoholic. You must be loved for who you truly are and all this. I love them idiot boy. I think say I want dance girl way. I look guidance from man or something.
so
She got her own mind. I was like, this clown ass boy. He over here looking for likes. She got her own mind.
please step up.
She want to joke on that. Like that head hard like. But don't let him turn you into.
Babe, so me head hard. But when I time to cut off alcohol and get serious, like going to the gym and eat healthy and clean, I'm all for it, but we're taking a break. I'm gonna end this video off by saying if you need to reset your life, whether that be a washout, a face peel, you need to go to the gym, you need to do any of those things, do it today. Don't put it off, okay? Do it today. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.